In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Evernote and Todoist using IFTTT, a powerful tool that can help you automate your tasks and streamline your workflow. By connecting these two apps, you can ensure that your notes and to-do lists are perfectly in sync, eliminating the need to manually update each platform separately. So, let's dive in and get started on this process. First things first, you'll need to access Todoist's IFTTT channel. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the IFTTT website. Once you're there, go ahead and search for Todoist's channel. After locating it, click on the Connect button. This action initiates the process of linking your Todoist account with IFTTT, allowing you to automate various tasks. Now, let's look for the specific connection we need, which is the Sync Evernote and Todoist connection. This particular applet is designed to synchronize your Evernote notes with your Todoist tasks seamlessly. Once you've found it, select it to proceed. You'll then see an option to Connect Evernote. Clicking this will prompt you to sign in to your Evernote account if you haven't done so already. It's important to ensure you have your login credentials handy for this step. Upon clicking Connect Evernote, you may be prompted to grant IFTTT permission to access your Evernote account. This is necessary for the synchronization to work effectively, so go ahead and follow the instructions on the screen to add the connection. Follow each prompt carefully and provide any necessary permissions for IFTTT to access your Evernote data. This will typically involve granting permission for IFTTT to read your notes and utilize certain functionalities within Evernote. Be sure you understand the permissions you're granting, as this ensures a smooth synchronization experience. Once you have followed all the on-screen instructions and added the connection successfully, select the Save button. And there you have it. You've now successfully linked Evernote and Todoist using IFTTT. This connection allows you to streamline your productivity system, as any tasks added in Evernote will automatically appear in your Todoist list. Keep in mind that you can explore other connections and applets within IFTTT, allowing you to customize and enhance your digital workflow even further. By following these steps, you've just harnessed the power of IFTTT to bring Evernote and Todoist together, ensuring that your important notes and tasks are always in sync. This seamless integration can be a real game changer for staying organized and maximizing productivity every day. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.